Good morning, Puddin'. It's time for your affirmation. Say, why am I always doing my affirmation in my car seat, Mother? Madison, say, I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am loved. I love you, Madison. Yeah, you gonna have a good day? Say, I'm already having a good day, Mother. Jackson's looking. Jaxson. Gonna have a good day? Yes. What? That's a wrap. It's going on to talk. But anyways, guys. So, good morning. Happy Monday. I hope you guys had an awesome weekend. We did. We went to church and then we went to his mother's house on Sunday to go have lunch with her. That's when I did my carb up day. It's basically a refeed or whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it is where you feed your body carbs. Really good carbs. Not. Anyways, I don't have time to explain that. I went to TJ Maxx yesterday and I'm basically redoing my kitchen, like to reorganize it and everything so that the little kitchen can function. And I wanted a white, let me wait. I wanted a white thing where I could put my utensils in. And I went and I got this. But if you notice, guys, yesterday when I was struggling to get the baby out the door and the bags and everything, I knocked it on this metal door coming out of the little shopping mall, and it cracked right there. So I'm gonna bring it back because I get a little mad. Oh, I hate this thing. It's always in the way. I need to take it off. I love this rug. What's the price tag on this? Thank you. It's not a bad price. I know. Doesn't it feel good?
Yeah, but we can't do it right now.
Oh my, look at that.
You can't put it right now. It's
Woo!
This is like having a big juju.
Not a big juju?
We have to get it treated first.
You like it, bud? Yeah? It's really nice. Oh, these are the pots I want. This is the collection I wanted.
Which one's the soft?
Right here. This guy.
What is a good brand?
Your mom has it, and I like the one she has. Not this, but the rice cooker one.
Oh, she has one of these?
Yeah, she has the rice cooker one. What do you think?
Weird.
Don't touch that, Jill. Don't touch anything. That has some cute what? You're funny. Very funny. Honey, I don't want it then. Look at this one. It's not focusing. This is pretty.
I don't care about pretty. I care about it.
Functioning? Yeah, this is the 3-ply stainless steel. It's like the all-clad, but it's a Kathleen brand.
They can't use that for chicken.
I can use it for whatever I want.
That's for chicken. You can't have them cookies in it. You want all of them to brown nice. You need one like that.
You like it? What is that? Like, is that Kathleen? What's the price?
I don't know.
60s.
I know that keeps it from messing it up, you know? Are these good? The Kathleen?
Kathleen? Is it Kathleen?
Yeah.
Yeah, Kathleen. Kathleen brand. Wolfgang. This is not bad.
This one's nice too.
Well, who's that? Oh, I don't like the cover. The sound of the cover. I hate the sound of covers like that. That's the same as the one
40.
over there. They're all 40. So we just left Marshall's, and I found one piece of Ray done. Just one piece, just a mug. And my utensil thing, I found it at Marshall and not TJ Maxx. So I returned the broken one to TJ Maxx and bought one from Marshall, same price. I'll show you guys everything once I get home.
Jaxson.
We're back home, and Jackson has to go on the school bus. And we only hit up one Marshall's because you have to hit them up early or else you just get what's picked over, and I don't want that. So we scored at TJ Maxx. That's about it. So I think I'm done for the day. I want to go to Home Goods, but I don't know because it's still late. So Jackson's getting ready to go on the bus, and I'm about to upload today's video. Oh man, these videos.
I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
Wait. Okay, go.
My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness
found back here with the baby. Maddie. She's not happy. Okay, honey, I'm ready. Thank you. It only needed one stand.
Okay, so we have enough stand?
Yeah.
I don't like it back here.
Alright, thank you.
The seats are comfortable.
They are. Okay, so we are on our way to Home Goods. Yeah. I'll see you guys when I get there. Right, Mama? I just went into the post office for like 5 seconds. Anyways, I mailed off a form to the IRS because they intercepted our tax refund. So my husband can claim it back if we filed the injured spouse form, which I just did. So hopefully we get our refund back, because yours truly right here, oh, student loans, them things are no joke. I didn't know one of them went into default because apparently two different people have my student loan, and I only thought that it was only one person, but whatever. Look here. I'm good. Yeah. I love. I literally found 2 items at Home Goods. They were on clearance. I will show you guys everything in my haul, so watch out for that video.